Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your Xbox Series X controller up to your PC. And this is very simple to do. Now, if your controller is turned off, we do want to turn it on. So just press this middle Xbox button. Now, the bad thing is if you have your Xbox nearby, it's going to turn on your Xbox. So we can still pair it up to our controller. Just be aware your Xbox is turned on somewhere. So let's go on over to my computer now. And we want to go to the home screen here, go down to the Windows Start button, and then go to Settings and select this. Then go up to Bluetooth and Devices, select it, and go on over to Add Device and select it. And go to Bluetooth, audio devices, mice, keyboard, phones, pens, controllers, right here. And you should be able to see your Xbox pop up when you put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do this, with our controller turned on, there's going to be a button on the top right here where you can just hold this down and press it a few times. And if it's connected to your Xbox, you still can do this. You can put it into the pairing mode. Just continue to press this down and you'll notice the light will begin to blink. So if we continue to press this down, boom, there it is. It's blinking really fast. Let's go on over to my computer and you can see the Xbox wireless controller is showing up under this list. Simply select it. It says it's connecting. And then it's showing up under the list behind us. So here it is, Xbox wireless controller. At any point in time, if we're trying to connect it to another device, make sure we come to this and just remove the device from here. And then we can connect our controller back up to our computer at any point in time just by simply turning it on. Also, we can turn it off by simply holding this button down. So you can see the Xbox symbol right there. If I hold it down, if I'm done playing with my controller, I can just hold that down. Then I can reconnect it by pressing this down and it'll sync back up to my computer automatically. And then I'm good to play Steam games or whatever. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.